Good day, everyone. Please, before you take your Nokia phone or itel or Tecno phone to any technician, whenever you want to charge, always write something like this. Wait and watch, please. Wait and watch. Do write something like this. So, charge voltage over threshold. Understand? So, what you just need to do, especially this type of phone, so it select a lot of battery. It select battery a lot. Understand? It do what? It select battery a lot. Let me on it and see what it will bring out. It will on, but once you recite charger, you see what we write now. So now let me put charger again and see not charging. Understand? If you're writing not charging or charge over threshold or whatever, understand what you just need to do before you take into any technician or any phone repairer. Try to change your battery. Try like different battery. Understand? Let me put this one there and see what we write, what we bring out the result. Let's wait and see. If you can see very well, this one is what is charging fine. Okay, it's not writing anything like overcharge threshold or whatever. So everything is charging fine. So let me remove and on it and turn it on and see maybe it will on normal, it will charge normal or not. So it's not only this phone, it come on all this new model itel and the Tecno, all this button phone. Some of them it common to them is select battery a lot. So let's see what will happen here. If you can see, it's charging fine. Can you see? So please, before you take it to any technician, just try another battery. So especially if you are buying new battery, always take your phone along with it, so that you could get the matched one. Understand? Thanks.